If you may have seen any of my knitting videos, you will know that I have been on a cardigan knitting frenzy. Well, this video is no different. But dare I say, I'm going to go out on a limb and incorporate some actual knitting terms. Prepare to have your mind blown. At how easy this is.
Step 1. Obtain wool yarn and trick people into thinking that you are very multi-talented. Step 2. Procure 15mm size knitting needles, not to be confused with knives, knot, or knot. Step 3. Juggle yarn with feet. That was totally real and not an edit. Step 4. Cast on 16 stitches in the blue yarn, or purpley pink if you want to be cool and make your cardigan look like the original. Step 5. Knit a total of 10 rows. Step 6. Alternate between purl and knit for a total of 8 rows. Funny fact about me, 8 is my favorite letter. Step 7. Take a quick break from knitting to figure out your best canvas. You know you're gonna have to model this awesomeness when you're done. Step 8. Graft in the yellow yarn by slicing through the blue yarn with scissors or an instrument of your choice. No, an instrument used for cutting material? Sure, whatever floats your boat. And tie the yarn together like so. Step 9. Alternate between purl and knit again for a total of 38 rows. Congratulations, you have spent about $30 on your cardigan.
When everything's said and done, I will have spent about $150 on materials and about 5 hours in labor. And considering I'm worth about $50 an hour, this whole cardigan's gonna be worth about $400. Wait, that's how much the original costs. For those of you non-DIYers, I would say buying the original is actually a pretty good deal. You know what else is a good deal? Tap water.
Step 10. Repeat step 4 and 5. I kept knitting on the same circular needles, but you are more than welcome to transfer your work to a stitch holder if that tickles your fancy. Step 11. This is pretty much steps 6 through 9, so instead of insulting your intelligence by explaining everything again, I'll show you this instead. Step 12. Begin the back by knitting 1 row in the pink, then continue to knit the other panel so you have a total of 32 stitches. Step 13. Again, I don't want to insult your intelligence, so please refer to this picture. Oh, sorry, wrong thing. Here. Step 14. Go shopping because you need to find something amazing to go with this new awesome cardigan that you are making.
Come here. Can you hang this back up for me?
But come back empty-handed because you are too busy entertaining Munchkin. Step 15. Be ecstatic that the kids are asleep early, which means you get extra knitting time. While you're at it, go ahead and give yourself a facial. But don't tell people about it because you want to deceive them into thinking that your youthful glow is just a natural byproduct of the joy you feel while raising 2 rambunctious munchkins. Then put on a face mask and be as productive as possible. This has nothing to do with the tutorial, but the kids are asleep early and it just makes me want to dance. Step P. Continue knitting the back panel.
And why is yellow?
Why, silly girl, that's because chunky orange wool yarn is nowhere to be found in Korea, so mommy made lemons out of lemonade with this yellow yarn. Step 17. Try to knit through offspring's antics.
Oh! Where'd that earthquake come from?
I wonder if a day will come when I'll actually be able to make a decent tutorial in peace. I actually gave the kids a slight talking to because as funny as they think it is, it's not very nice to go around trying to ruin people's things. They apologized, but...
Apparently they weren't very pleased because I discovered they tried to barricade me inside my own room. Step 18. Cast off and weave in ends. Step 19. Pick up 34 stitches for the sleeve in pink. Step 20. Purl and knit 39 rows. Step 21. Knit 1, then alternate between knit 2 together and knit 2 until you have a total of 15 stitches. Step 22. Knit 10 more rows. This is the most difficult part for me because I don't have the right tools for the job, but here's something to distract you from all the technical difficulties.
Oh, stinky!
Step 22. Cast off. No, not that kind of cast off. Yes, that kind of cast off. Step 23. Repeat steps 14 through 17 for yellow sleeve. Step 24. Grab a mattress.
Quick history lesson. The mattress stitch was discovered by a woman named Maud in the 1300s as she was knitting on her mattress. Hence the name mattress stitch. That's a total fact, truth statement. You should believe every word that ever comes out of my mouth.
Step 25. Actually go ahead and mattress stitch all sides together.
Done. Did you work on step 7 like I asked you to? That's pretty much the most important part of this entire tutorial. I'll trust that you did.